Oh my God, so many decisions. I don't know what to vote for. What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is 𝘊𝘰𝘯𝘵, and I still appreciate you for being here with me. Thank you, thank you. So today we're going to talk about voting, our rights, our human rights. Yeah, we have to vote. But now we can vote with Pulsex. Now, the thing about voting with Pulsex is that in order to vote with Pulsex, you need to have Pulsex tokens. So that's another reason why you need to get into Pulsex tokens the day one of Pulsechain launch. Okay, try to buy them. I'm going to come out with a video where I'm going to explain the best way to buy them. So you can see that on the voting page, you can have your say in the future, like it says right here. There's proposals where you can either do it through the core team, which are the developers. They have proposals, or you can go to the community team. Now, in the community team, you can see that there's tons of different proposals that come out. Is there a likelihood that your proposal will get accepted? Probably not, because you can see people have ridiculous ones, like the one at the very bottom that says, "Can you please build me a home?" That's probably not going to happen. But then you have, more legitimate ones like Pulsex and Pulsechain local branding support, exclusive NFTs, PLSX/PLS local branding, a proposal for a price prediction. I don't even know how you can vote for that. Different things like that. So the thing is that you're like, okay, man, I don't have any Pulsex. And even if I do, I'm getting in so late that I don't even know if my vote is really going to count that much. Stop talking that nonsense. Your vote always counts. So what you do is you just click on the vote now button. And when you click on the vote now button and you try to cast a vote, you get to see the different ways that you can actually have voting power, use your voting power. You can have regular PLSX tokens in your wallet. You can have liquidity pools that are Pulsex related. You can have farm liquidity pools that are Pulsex related, or you can have pools, regular pools that are Pulsex related. Just use whatever voting power that you have, cast your vote, depending on how many votes that are available and depending how powerful your vote is. This proposal will be accepted or this proposal will not be accepted. So use your power to vote and get into this. This is the great thing about cryptocurrency. You can anonymously vote and create a better ecosystem for ourselves. And the fact that we're doing this with Pulsex and it's extremely cheap to vote, and it costs like 1/10,000th of a penny to vote, extremely cheap prices to vote, that's a good thing. And you're absolutely powerful in creating your own ecosystem. You can come up with ideas that need to be voted on, and you can influence the power of it being voted. You can really influence it, whether something gets voted or whether something doesn't get voted. This is really good, and I'm telling you this because I thank you, I love you, I appreciate you. Get that vote. Let's get this money.